Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV W11, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the hotspot toggle. For me, it's on the third page, as you can see right over here. And once you see it, I will recommend holding it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize it. Now, the reason you want to navigate in here is because of this single option right here, which is hotspot password. When you tap on it, you can see that it is randomly generated, and without navigating in here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. Now, I do recommend getting rid of it, as it is pretty bad, and setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Once you save it, I can then close this out, assuming you don't want to change any other options. Now, if you don't know what most of these options are, I would recommend keeping them as they are set by default, as this will ensure that your hotspot will work with the widest array of devices, which might not be the case if you decide to change something. Anyway, we're gonna close this and let's find the toggle once more, and this time around all we're gonna do is just simply tap on it to turn it on. Now in the settings, by default it is set to turn off hotspot automatically when it's not being used for about 10 minutes, which I'd recommend having on, as this will basically save a little bit of your battery. So typically, at least for me, I'm a smooth brain, so I would forget to turn off my hotspot once I'm done using it, and this would typically consume more of your phone's battery. Now on this device it might not be such a big problem, considering it does have like a 20,000 mAh battery right here, but still, if I can not charge the device as often, I would prefer to take that, and if I'm not needing my hotspot anymore, it can just turn itself off, assuming I forget about it, which is a pretty good thing to have. Now obviously, if you remembered about it, you can turn it off yourself by simply tapping on a toggle once again. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.